Hey everyone, it is me, Ahmed Kamat, and today we are unboxing this Hot Wheels recolor of Dodge Viper RT10 with purple and gray from SW Roadsters 710 with 131 out of 250. Drop the top and live your dreams. Wherever you are driving, there's a Dodge trademark. Let's unbox this. The code says S17, that's the code. Let's review this. Front, we have no detail. Driver side, rear, and passenger side. And the roof with no roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Okay? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.